National Weather Service in Norman has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Oklahoma County and central Oklahoma, southeastern Canadian County and central Oklahoma at 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:23 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service meteorologists and storm spotters reported a large and extremely dangerous tornado 6 miles southeast of El Reno, moving east at 20 miles per hour. This is a tornado emergency for Yukon, Richland, Wiley Post Airport, Bethany and the Village. Take immediate tornado precautions right now. In addition to a tornado, dangerous and extremely large